Pivot tables are one of Excel's most powerful tools, but most people only use about 20% of what they can do. In this video, I'm going to show you a pivot table trick that most Excel users have never even heard of. And once you see it, you use it straight away. Let's get into it.
So here's the data set we're working with. We've got a list of sales transactions. Each row tells us the sales rep, the region they sold in, the total sales amount for that deal. Nothing fancy, but this is exactly the kind of data you'd see in a real business setting. What I want to do is build a pivot table that shows me each region, and underneath each region, I want to see how each sales rep is performing. Specifically, what percentage of that region's total sales they are responsible for. Not the overall company total, the regional total. That's the key distinction here. Alright, let's build the pivot table first. I'll click anywhere in my data, go to the Insert tab, Pivot Table from this range. I'll drop it onto a new sheet, then click OK. Now, in the field list, region goes into rows. Sales rep goes into rows as well, just underneath region. And total sales goes into values. So what we end up with is a nice nested view. Each region at the top level and each sales rep sitting under their region. And right now, the values are showing us absolute numbers, which is useful, but it's not answering the question we actually want to answer. Let me show you how to change that. Now, a lot of people at this point would right-click on the values, go to Show Values As, and pick percentage of grand total. And look, that works. You can see the percentages, but here's the problem. This is telling you what each person contributes to the entire company's sales. So if Tom is in a small region, he's always going to look like a small contributor, even if he's always dominating this region. It's not wrong, but it's not the right question. The question is, within their own region, how much are they pulling? That's a completely different insight.
By the way, if you're finding this useful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I share practical Excel tips every week that saves you real time at work. Now let's keep going.
So here's the fix, and it's literally one option change. Right-click on any value in the column. Go to Show Values As, and instead of grand total, choose percentage of parent row total. Now look at what's changed. Each sales rep's numbers now shows their percentage of their own region, not the whole company. Now if you look at the central region, all the percentages under central adds up to 100. Same for east, same for west. That's the magic. Every sales rep is now being measured against their own region's performance. This is incredibly useful if you're doing regional reviews, performance conversations, or presentations to regional managers, because now the numbers actually mean something in context. And honestly, most people don't even know this option exists. It's buried in the Show Values As menu. But once you know it's there, you use it all the time.
And that's the pivot table trick that most Excel users never even think to use. Try it on your next data set and see how much time it saves you. Now I want to hear from you. Did you already know this one, or was this new to you? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this useful, like the video and subscribe. I share practical Excel tips like this every week or every other week, so you never have to figure it out the hard way. See you in the next one.